Uba daman bait lamari. MLA ka umroy daladi ulalay bandumok. Ya ke officer ke basyang terikam ha ka office keterangan MECL. Namar ke jingbom shim kia. Bat balik torti keterangan MECL ke balawan ra ya ke jingdo laingut ke minsium. Bakar dor je ke hybrid ha ka shnong tangling. Ke balasya bat boarding hadian berdekut usainar elektrik. Kata ke jinglet kendu UMLA ke umroy ya ke officer ke MECL ha yam. Kadai hadian bolawan pai nak kebalit sengolem sekilongyeng ke belangat haka opot sengosi hom tangling. Kata kadai ru hadian bagi beriu nak ketika senong kelayat ho hau MLE bagi lada benujor halor ke jingbom senga nyusainar elektrik haka ketika senong. Hendai omdon kano ke jingsim kia nak keliang ke MECL. Uba naman bait lamari ulong bakum kini ke jingja kim deishu banjanang ni sekmat batkum ki officer ke de bensim kia mardor habaladon ke balawan benujor. Bat ki deiru wan burom mi kipajba namar kembakalong menta ula yo shibon ki jingujor halor ke jingle emeng bat ke jingbom shimkia de ki officer ketenat MECL.
So, you didn't came no?
No, we have just gone into the back. नहीं सर आप आया बैठा है तो
टाइम निकल जाएगा तो बुका
नहीं हो जाएगा सर कोई बात नहीं. Actually we are involved with the case now right from the beginning, morning. So because of that like we didn't get time. We had to arrange all those things.
बहुत बुरा हुआ है.
हाँ.
बहुत बुरा हुआ है. Why we have come here also because there was no other option. Just no come here.
Yes sir. Yes, sir.
I'm the MLA and he's a former MC of तो अभी उसके लिए तो कुछ करने पड़ेगा, ठीक करने पड़ेगा, नहीं होगा.
Kami juga komplain ni.
Layak komplain, berbalik lawan mau sepi, tambah kecil thol klaim air, kata ngatip, ngalah kali kat kini ni nak mana ni? Hah? Baik mau, saya manu pergi ke yang ba. Kumpul jam kumpul sudah banjam ta. Kano kulo ko bawan kabalong kabarit na kabahay na pwede ban simeksyon na to eh. Tapi dari kirkian ni department kinumiyam ni tu kinung.
Yang betul kalau mendaki, habana jangan do bendo.
Utkut wayar betul.
Kut wayar kan. Kahap dia kahap kasih tinggi lah abad perdik yang mereka menghap dah.
Nakaliam local headman jo tangta jo wana approach
Yes yes. Hey, please arrange water for sir.
wana approach ki verbally approach harbedei bag usana elektrik belajar dekut isa kan dia dan nakaliam jo ki ngamtip kede nakala ko basubhawan ra dari jingtro
Emang kita mau
ngasih ubat pembunuh dah baburong di age mi baik orang ada yes take action no akan right akapor ke babel ngam tharai begini gila buat begini ya dia kan kalau pergi kalau jinglong negligent ya ke duty joki ku ke MECL kena soye malah piesin clear marpat ki mensembri umlong beli leka dan tai saya narisa setang little bit setang bendekut dia habala don ba komplain la duat komplain wat ukna le PD ban respond
kan kalau mereka buat dikit ini. Saya yang elemen tu dia menunjukkan beriport ya.
Engkila itu
Bila ni toyo nak saya ni
lawan lang doktor itu doktor Maulong lokal headman dilawan yakin dulu itu.
Saya ni lawan teman-teman belum seleksi dah.
Dia kata buat gande kami kamtim de buat kabamingin lah kan dia. Lokal boleh primeiro yam tu. Ngo boleh dia pun ni. Kajing dia pun ni nak lagi nak sosnau ki orang nak reading bom sim kriya jom ICL. Lada ICL ke sim kriya kinem yap kini kilai man. Nama from time to time kila a lot complaints from ICL. Dan beberapa play ki rural headman ngim tan ban yai prosedur orang ajing tau. Barbali betul petik tu day ban petik. Ngim tan ban omni ko officially dari jing tau. Betul noba.
Kalau pandai dah ubah umur ada kata cukup orang. Tolong kalau pandai patah tu kerja joki kat kerja kiara. Kata keberi. Because he's saying that now he hasn't got any information about this. How come? Yeah, more than 10 times they came. Now the headman have come here to complain regarding this. How come? Maybe
Let me find out.
no, maybe the GE is not interested at all. Just come here.
Sir, JE is a lady who is like on contractual actually. on contractual, lady with contractual. But from her, this one appearance also doesn't seem that like she will talk in a rough way or she will not do anything. Doesn't look like that.
See,
Very sober and
To be this thing, since you're a senior most officer in this office, I want all this thing to, from now onwards, from now onwards, from this thing, from today onwards, they shouldn't interact with the people rudely.
Yeah,
Lots of this thing.
yeah.
Regarding him also complaint has come, don't mind. Regarding him also complaint have come, and regarding him also, SDO. He's the SDO of that area, no?
Yeah.
Regarding also a lot of complaint. I'll be very frank in front of you, I'll speak openly. Lots of complaints have come. Then from now onwards, to please, whenever the people will come here, please accept them and please respond to them. The only thing I don't want anything from you. I don't have anything to take or give from you. I only want to work and cooperation with the people. If you cooperate with them, they will automatically cooperate with you. Whether it's a small thing or bad thing, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, please take action on that particular time itself, if it's possible. That's my order as an MLA from here. Because जो भी क्या होता है, whatever happened there, whether it's that case or any whatever case that, the people always come to me only, MLA.
even from your side also you have to push.
I'll push.
We are abide by the SKCR this one, no rules. So you, sir, what you can do from your level to from our level, we cannot do.
No, I'll speak to the high command. They'll do something. I'll
Yes,
tell them.
yes.
From which is to give, usually they'll increase a little bit more.
Yes, yes. If they can
Because
do that.
this death case is not, it's an unfortunate death though, actually of course. It's not that they are staying or something.
Yes,
It's unfortunate death. No, it's an accident, injury death. ठीक है?
Even for our staff, sir, 1.5 will need. What's the problem? No.
ठीक है?
1.5 lakhs for 1 year. But when people come to us, we should greet them with proper way. There should be a proper way to greet them at least. How much problem we can solve is a different thing. But at least listen to them, be very comfortable, make them comfortable, seat them, make them comfortable, make them sit, and understand the problem carefully. Then we will discuss how far we can solve the problem. Okay, it's not that just because they have come, you tell them, no, we cannot do it, just go, we'll see afterwards. Don't do that. At least accept them, accept the problem. Come on. Okay, we'll see, sir, we'll see.
So, चलो, ठीक है, regarding